Hey everybody, I want to share a little writing with you in support of, and in honor of the workshop I'll be doing tomorrow. Create more, contribute more, and make more money. And it's called The Spirit of Opulence by Thomas Troward. Beautiful writing that I learned about in the past year. Before I get to it, I just want to say this work about prosperity and creativity and spirit there's a lot of people doing it out there, and it's a beautiful thing, an exciting thing to be a part of this conversation for the people I'm meant to connect with, to move this forward within oneself and within the larger consciousness in general. So if what I'm sharing calls you, please make sure you go to the link in my bio on Instagram or go to my website, michelleboulay.com, and then you can click on the coaching and healing. It'll be changing soon. And then you'll see a pop-up for this workshop. We'll also put in the comments. If it calls to you, definitely sign up. It's free. This can plant the seed for a big shift in this year for yourself in terms of how you are creating your own prosperity, but also even deeper than that, how you're interacting with the prosperity of you, the abundance of you. So in that spirit, I want to read a little bit of the Spirit of Opulence. I'm doing the hold the phone thing, so just bear with me. If we clearly realize that the creative power in ourselves is unlimited, then there's no reason for limiting the extent to which we may enjoy what we can create by means of it. Where we are drawing from the infinite, we need never be afraid of taking more than our share. That is not where the danger lies. The danger is in not sufficiently realizing our own richness and in looking upon the externalized products of our creative power as being the true riches instead of the creative power of spirit itself. And for all you creatives out there, I think you know those moments when spirit moves through you. I just talked about this in the movement practice with my Meditate, Move, Heal group. It's, as a dancer, I knew I was dancing, but the dance was doing me. And what a beautiful thing to start to open up in your own relationship to your prosperity, which is a result of embracing your full creative self in this boundless, infinite, abundant world. So if that calls to you, please join me for my free workshop on Thursday, January 21st, in support of your creativity, in support of your prosperity, in support of your ability to be, share, and have in this world. See you tomorrow.